Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back with again with a new quick video, and in this new video I want to show you how you can make $100 a day with Google Adsense. And don't worry, this is a smart way that I got from a YouTube channel called Dream Cloud, and shout out to him. So stay until the end because I will show you how you can start applying this method. So let's start. Well, basically you will have to go to this webpage called outbrain.com. Now, what outbrain.com is an ad network, and if you don't know what an ad network is a platform where you pay the platform in exchange for traffic. So you give them your money as a service, and they in exchange they give you traffic, people to a website, to your videos. They well, if you don't know what traffic is people coming to a site or something, to a web property or a property on the internet, like a web page, video, and so on. So what you will do on Outbrain is you will pay them in order for them to bring traffic to your blog. Now, this method requires you to create a blog, a simple blog on WordPress. If you don't know how to create a blog with WordPress like this one, this is my own blog, by the way, that I've created. You can check it out in the description. But if you don't know how to create a blog post like this, I will be creating a future video on how to create a blog post with WordPress. But there are thousands of videos on YouTube that will show you and teach you how to create a WordPress blog page. So now, why you will be asking, why do we have to create a blog post? Because we'll be creating articles where you will be posting, obviously, the ads from Google AdSense. So let's say this article that I made, the best way to get website traffic. So what I would do is on this sidebar, I would put the Google AdSense ads. If you don't know how to do it, also there are thousands of videos showing you online how to put AdSense ads on your blog, on your website. So what you would do is on the sidebar, and also in the article, you could put some ads, and every time someone clicks on that ads, Google will pay you. Now you will be asking, how do we get the traffic? Well, that is where Outbrain comes in. Outbrain is an ad network that gives you traffic through blogs. Now, how? Let's give you an example. For example, CNN.com works with Outbrain. So all these people, you know that you can see that it says paid content. That means that these people are paying to appear on CNN.com because Outbrain partners with CNN.com. So you see that it is recommended by Outbrain.com. So all these websites, if we open them, says paid.outbrain.com. Do you see? These people are paying Outbrain to appear on CNN. Also, Outbrain has a partnership with the Time magazine, and not only they have this partnership with this type of websites, they have partnership with thousands of websites. So they will get you traffic, and a lot of traffic. Obviously, this is paid traffic. So, but the good thing with native advertising, this is called native advertising because of the formularity, because they appear here. This is how they call them, native advertising. So by paying Outbrain, you will be appearing on CNN, Time, and when someone clicks here, it will be redirected to your site. This is an example of what you will be doing, for example. So I think I clicked, well, I clicked an ad here. I think it was here, but it says, oh, here, Kanye West and Kim Kardashian West Snap second Wyoming ranch. So the thing is that these people are paying Outbrain for you to get into this web page. Now, how do they get their money back? Obviously by placing advertising, as I told you. For example, and that is the same thing that you will be doing. Here, there's an ad. So they are not losing money by you coming to their web page. Instead, they are making money. For example, here's another ad. That is the same thing you should do with your WordPress blog. Sorry. In the sidebar or in the article, you should place your Google Adsense ads, and it's that simple. Let me draw it for you so that you got it, so that you get mentally. So what you will do is you will pay Outbrain, and Outbrain will pay guys like CNN for you to appear for you to appear on their webpage. So this is, for example, CNN or Time Magazine. This is CNN. So here we'll say paid by Outbrain. This is Outbrain. This is the Outbrain section that will appear on CNN or Times. And here is where your ads will appear. Outbrain. And here the article continues. So here is where you will be placing your ads, or Outbrain will be placing your ads. Now the thing is that native advertising is cheap. I mean, for every click they will charge you around 15 cents to 50 cents. 50 cents a click. So what Outbrain will be doing is for every click that you get to your site, they will be charging you 50 cents, 15 cents, sorry, 50 cents, and that is not a lot of money, because remember that then they go to your site. This is your blog, and on your blog, let's say the blog has a random topic, and here on the sidebar will be your AdSense ad. And you could, let's say for every click, for every 15 cents that you spend, you will be making back $1. So you are breaking even, and this is why this method works, because obviously you are spending money on ads for Outbrain to show your web page, but you are making your money back with Google AdSense on your blog page. And that is how this method works. It's very simple. So if you really like this method, I would really encourage you to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment, so that you help and you notify the YouTube algorithm to jumpstart and share my content. So guys, hope you like it. Hope you like this video, and until next one.